Senator, binanggit rin ni Orly Guteza na ang dating former chair ng Appropriations Committee, si former ACT-CIS Party List Representative Eric Yap, di umano nagdi-deliver din, nagbibigay ng pera. Kasamahan mo yun, kasamahan mo si Yap.
During that time, he's not ACT-CIS anymore. He's a representative of Lone District of Benguet. And then sabi nga niya, 48 suitcases. So I called Eric Yap after the hearing. Sabi ko, pare, can you explain what happened here? And he denied. Sabi niya, no, Sen. Sabi niya, I deny that flatly. I will say no, hindi, it did not happen. Pakitanong sa kanya na lang. Sabi ko, why should I ask him that? People might think na I'm trying to cover you up. Kaya I didn't ask any more questions. Sabi niya, pakitanong, Sen, 48 suitcases. Ang daming sasakyan yun kung hindi armored van. Armored van can only, but armored van, kailangan mo ng 2 armored van dyan. Ilang van yun? 20. So sabi niya, if you want, you can ask the CCTV footage of Valle Verde 6 kung merong ilang van ang pumasok. Di ba kahina-hinala, sabi niya kahina-hinala yung Sen. Then, de-deliver ka na napakadaming van. Magtataka yung mga security. And then, di naman siguro ako stupid to do that. Pero okay lang. I said like, no. Sabi ko, the question is answer me. Is this true or not? Sabi niya, no, it's not true. Sabi niya, I will, sabi ko, are you willing to appear? Sabi niya, I can appear anywhere. Sabi niya, if you
Because won't everybody deny at this point?
Yeah, well, karapatan naman nila yung Miss Karen. I know, it's out of parang automatic na I'm not involved. That's their right, di ba?